Hi there, this is Nicole from Right at Home, and today I'm going to show you how to stamp the new Nestling Owl set from our fall release. With this set, I found that it's easiest to start with the top of the head and then work your way down to the bottom. So here I just have the white die cut piece cut using the coordinating die, and I started by stamping the top of the head and ears in Catherine Pooler Peppermint Scrub ink, and then I moved on to the face, and then the wings, and then the body and the detail, and then I'll finish off with the feet and the two parts of the tail. This set has a lot of different pieces and layers that you can mix and match and stamp in different color combinations to get different looks, and all the ink colors that I used here will be listed in the description box below. And here's a peek at the owl when it's finished. Next we can move on to the little scarf image that comes in the set. It has two different layers so that you can use different colors, and you can layer it over top of the owl or leave it off for a different look. I hope you enjoyed this little how-to video for the Nestling Owl stamp and die set. Make sure to head over to rightathomeshop.com to download the coordinating stamping guide, and also to check out the other new items in the fall release. Make sure to subscribe before you leave, and I hope you have a great day.